loves, let me teach you how to make a very potent hair growth cream that you see visible results within few days of using it. The first ingredient we'll be using here is rosemary. Rosemary has a whole lot of benefits, like rosemary is very potent when it comes to hair growth. It contains these antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that helps stimulate our hair and reduce hair fall. And one very good thing about this rosemary is that it's so affordable. Like the whole of this container, I got it at 1,500. Is that cheap in my area? So you go ahead and take the measurements you'll be using. I use 3 spoons of rosemary. Okay, yeah. So the next ingredient to be using is your mustard seed. My mom called this seed miracle seed because they have a whole lot of function. Like it's enriched with alpha-fattic acid, which helps maintain our hair moisture, thereby promoting hair growth. Take your measurement and then we'll proceed to the next ingredient, which is fenugreek seed. This fenugreek seed helps to boost blood circulation in our hair. It has proteins and iron, which also promotes hair growth. And these three ingredients you're seeing here is powerhouse when it comes to hair growth. So um we'll be taking them straight to our blender and then get them blended into this space, as you can see. Okay, so yeah, so I'm going to turn it down and then we'll be adding the next ingredient, which is our gloves. Gloves have properties that stimulate blood flow in our scalp, which also promotes hair growth. As you can see, all these ingredients we are listing out here, all of them helps a lot when it comes to retention of length and hair growth. Okay, for our cream ingredients, we'll be using shea butter. Shea butter contains high fatty acid and vitamins that help moisturize and strengthen our hair follicle, thereby preventing our hair from breakage. Okay, so go ahead and add in your shea butter. Add this the quantity. I'm just eyeballing everything. I don't have any particular measurements. Okay, so the next cream ingredients we'll be using is our cocoa butter. Cocoa butter helps strengthens and protects our hair from heat damage. This cocoa butter serves as a sunscreen. You know, when you're applying sunscreen in your face, that's the function of this cocoa butter. Okay, the next ingredient I added here is our mango butter. Mango butter helps a lot when it comes to locking in moisture in hair and is rich in vitamin A and E. It fortifies hair strand from inside out and it also helps in preventing hair breakage and hair damages. Okay, so I'll go ahead and pour in all my blended ingredients. As you can see, add in my olive oil. Okay, this olive oil helps to prevent frizz and dryness in the scalp. Of course, if your hair is not dry, it will not be breaking and you'll be retaining length. Okay, so this is coconut oil. Go ahead and add the 1 spoon of coconut. I did not add much oil, but I don't want my oil to be more than the cream ingredient. Okay, so I went ahead to add in my tea tree oil. This is optional. If you don't have, fine. And then I also added in my argan oil. Okay, so these are the essential oil I use in this hair growth cream. And then I'm taking it straight over to double boiling. Okay, this is what we call double boiling. I always get this question, what do you mean by double boiling? That is it. Okay, I'll be boiling everything till all the cream are melted out. Okay, I'll be showing us in details what I mean in this video because I do get a lot of question on this. Okay, so yeah, heat it up till there's no lump, till everything turns to oil. Okay, so yeah, why is heating up? Stir and stir. Please don't use spoon like I'm using. Don't use this stainless spoon. Use rubber. or wool in this. This spoon was very hot though. Yeah, so go ahead and stir, 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 stir till you're sure everything is melted out like so. So here is melted out and it have cooled down a bit. You have to allow it to cool down a bit before this next stage. Okay. The next thing I did was to get my chief clothes. If you don't have this chief clothes, you can use your stocking cap, it can work, or a sieve that have a very tiny hole. Okay, go ahead and pour in all the mende inside, like pour in all the ingredients inside. Okay, so you when you don't pour anything, you just lift it up and then sieve it out, like get out all your oil. Okay, like so. As you can see, as of now, as of when I was working with this, I didn't allow the oil cool down very well. It was still a bit hot. Like I was confirming if I can press it, but yeah, it was still a bit hot. When you're working with your own, allow it to cool down, don't allow it to be cool, but like to be something you can press when you're working on it, right? So here I am squeezing out the oil from the shaft, making sure I get all the nutrients I need. Okay, as you can see, it's still a bit hot, but I can work with it like this. So go ahead and press out all the oil from the chaff because we will not be needing the chaff. Okay, so yeah, squeeze, 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 and squeeze out all the oil. Okay, take your time and do this. Make sure you don't have chaff in your cream. Very important. That's why I use this cheese. Is it cheese cloves they call it? I don't know, but yeah, it's the tiniest one I can get around. So I went ahead to press in. Make sure that you get all the nutrients off from the shaft, right? Press press it very well. Press out all your oil very well. And yeah, this is what my chaff look like. And I think I'm satisfied with what I got from that. And I went ahead to transfer my oil back to the stainless plate because I prefer working with it. Then I covered it up and I took it to my refrigerator and allow it to stay overnight, and then took it out the next day. This is how it looks like the next day. And yeah, we are almost our hair growth cream is almost ready. I went ahead to pick up my whisker and wicks everything. Okay, go ahead and wicks till you get a very good mixture, like a very creamy texture, right? I'll be showing us what I mean. Wicks. You will notice that if you use cocoa butter for this hair growth cream, you notice that while you're whisking, your lump will not dissolve like at a straight. You have to take your time and weeks because I allow this mixture stayed in the fridge long enough, right? But yeah, I still got what I want. I went ahead to week. As you can see, the texture is coming together, everything is coming together, and those lumps are gone and all mixed together. And yeah, you get your hair growth cream. Is that simple? Now with something like 2000, you can get a hair growth cream that can last you for 6 months. Like this one will last me very well. At least you know what is going inside your hair. If you have a baby that doesn't have enough hair, you will know what you're applying on your baby's hair. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video and I hope you're gonna try this. If you try this, do let me know, and of course you'll see visible results. This hair growth cream is so potent. I will be leaving now and to see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.